I'm Dr. Prakash Kolli. I'm the CEO and one of the two co-founders of 3D Orthobiologic Solutions. We are a company that 3D prints bone graft scaffolds for surgeries. So our mission is really to solve the complex processes of bone graft scaffolds, healing, storing, and regenerating bone for defects. And these patients often get bone defects from cancer, trauma, or periodontal disease, or infection. And they lose their bone and they lose functionality and aesthetics. And our goal is to solve that and make that process easier. MassChallenge has been incredible for us. The events during the early stage cohort, the activities, networking, we grew through connections and networking to not just investors, but other startups, as well as to other people who can help us move forward in the commercialization regulatory process. Some of our big challenges were really our business model up front, like how are we going to make money? It's great to have a technology, but eventually that has to become a business and a business model, and we have to make money. And some of the advisors and mentors that they had helped us look at it in different ways besides just from a science and engineering standpoint. When we wanted to connect with customers, which are in our case are surgeons and clinicians, members of our cohort were actually physicians and doctors themselves. We were able to connect them to us, to colleagues, and it helped us immensely. Likewise, we help them whenever we can, in whatever way we can. And we're very excited about the company. We think we can make an impact not just in oral surgery defects, which is our first target market, but in orthopedic trauma, cranial and spinal as well. We've got our first FDA meeting in May of this year scheduled. Startups are incredibly difficult, much more difficult than you would think, but somehow it's also incredibly satisfying. It's always 2 steps forward, 1 step back, but eventually you get there. If I had to do it all over again, I would definitely do it.